Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about general features of Ascaris. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So, Ascaris are most common round one and they are found as intestinal parasites in vertebrates like man, pig, cattle, etc. So they reside inside the uh, intestine of few vertebrates such as human, pig, cattle, etc. And sexual dimorphism is well distinct. That means male and female are uh, uh, different from outside. Like female is larger than male. So you can see this picture here. This is the female one and this is the male one. And the female is larger, longer than male. So that is called sexual dimorphism. And the body is elongated. They have elongated body. They have cylindrical structure and tapering at both ends. Tapering at both ends, it indicates that this is the end, this is one end, and this is another end, right? So this is anterior end and this is posterior end, and the ends are narrower like this, like this. This is called tapering end. Tapering end. So both of them have tapering ends. And next it bears a small terminal anterior mouth aperture. So both of them have mouth and this is just an aperture. This is found in the anterior side. This is terminal. This is present at the terminal of their body structure, and this is just an aperture and it is guarded by three lips. So the mouth is guarded by three lips, one mid-dorsal and two lateroventral. So dorsal means back, you know. So one lip is present at the middle part of the back and here two lateroventral. So ventral means this is the front side and latero means side. So two lips are present in two sides of the front part. Okay, so here is the structure. If you zoom this mouth part, you can see this. This is the anterior end. Here, this is the mid dorsal lip, and these two are lateroventral lips. Okay. Now, mid dorsal is present on the upper side, just like this picture. This is the mid dorsal, and two lateroventral lips are present on the two sides of mouth. So here these are two lateroventral lips which are present at two sides of the mouth, just like the picture, and the lips have fine teeth and each lip bears minute sensory papillae. So you can see this picture that lip each lip contains papillae. These are sensory papillae. So each and every lip contains these sensory papillae. Okay. Now this is all about the anterior part of the animal, and here behind the lips there is an excretory pore mid-ventrally. Again, mid-ventrally means that is present in the middle portion of the front side. Middle portion of the front side, that is the excretory pore. So here is the excretory pore in male and here is excretory pore in female. So both of them have excretory pore just behind the mouth. So if you see this structure here also you can find this excretory pore. Okay. Now in males the tail is carved. So this is the male and here you can see that this is the curved tail. Okay. and the anus is replaced by cloaca. So in male, anus is replaced by cloaca. So here is the cloacal structure, cloacal aperture, and cloaca is the common aperture for the rectum and genital tubes. So cloaca is basically used um, to excrete digestive waste and as well as gametes. Okay, now two pineal setae protrude from the aperture. Here you can see 1 and 2. These are two pineal setae. These are protruding from the cloacal aperture and they basically serve to transfer the sperm from the male into the female vagina during copulation. So these setae, pineal setae are used for copulation purpose. And the male tail is also characterized by numerous genital papillae which help in copulation. So here also you will find a few genital papillae in male. So if you zoom this structure, you will find this is the posterior end of male. So here are different papillae. You can see these are papillae, pre-anal papillae, post-anal papillae. So this is the cloacal aperture. Here are few pre-anal papillae. Here are few post-anal papillae and they also help in copulation. Okay. Now in females, the end of the tail is straight. You can see the end is, sorry. So this is the female structure and here the end is straight. This is not curved unlike male. And it contains anus. The female contains anus. Only the digestive tubes open to the outside through the anus. So female has anus and through anus the digestive waste comes out. This is also the difference between male and female. Males do not have anus, they have cloacal aperture, whereas female has anus. Okay, the female genital aperture called vulva or gonopore is on the ventral side. So female has the genital aperture that is also called as vulva and that is present on the ventral side. That means that is present in the front side about 1/3 of the length from the anterior end. So you can see this is the female gonopore. Okay. So this is the distance is 1/3 from the anterior end. Okay, okay. So this is also difference between male and female. And the body wall of both of them. The body wall of Ascaris consists of three main layers. First one is the outer layer that specifically contains cuticle and below cuticle there is the middle layer that is called epidermis and below epidermis the inner layer that is the muscle layer and the epidermis is syncytial. That means it has many nuclei but no cell wall. That means the cells are not dividing here in the epidermis but nucleus inside the cells are dividing continuously. That's why this is called syncytial structure. So syncytial means one cell. The cytoplasm is not dividing but nucleus are dividing in this way. So one cell contains multiple nuclei. This is called syncytial state. And the epidermis is just like this. The digestive system consists of mouth, pharynx, intestine and rectum and the respiration is anaerobic and the excretory system includes excretory canal and the nervous system consists of nerve ring and nerves originating from it. So there are few nerve rings like where the cell bodies are there and nerves are coming through those nerve rings and they are of course dioecious. That means sexes are separate. Male and female are separate and even we have seen that sexual dimorphism is very much prominent. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.